Hey, this is Eric. I want to show you the map page. Um, so I'm going to minimize the filter and the cards and just focus on the map. And what I want you guys to be able to take away from this is whatever you see in the map is how you're going to be able to filter and see information in the cards. So a couple things that you're going to want to do is make sure that you're on a big enough screen that when you move in and out of the summary cards and the map doesn't change too much. If that is not a possibility, then you're going to need to use the bookmarks. So I'm going to show you all the different things that are in the map and how to use them. So if you want to zoom in and out, scroll your mouse in and out like so. You can use the zoom in and zoom out on the plus and minus. And then if you want to move your map, just click and drag. If you want to change the orientation of your map for some reason, you can right click and drag the map around. Now you're looking at it from Canada's point of view. And if you need to recenter that and fix it, just hit N and it will normalize it. So that is moving around. Oh, and then there's one more thing that you can do if you want to zoom into a specific box. Hit the shift, hold the shift key, and then drag a box, and you will zoom into that area. Now, the next thing I want to show you is if you want to find a specific thing, a specific place, like I want to zoom into Boise, Idaho. I can type in Boise, and then it'll finish for me, and then it can zoom right in there, and then you get a pop-up and see zoom to, and it'll get you even closer. So that is how to go about using the address bar for just basic zooming in and out of cities. Now, if you wanted to, you could also start typing in the name of an action or an action, and you would start to see results too. So you can do that as well, and then just click on it and then zoom into it. So as you can tell, zooming in and out of the map, it can kind of screw with the view that you have of whatever you're trying to do, right? So what I would suggest is utilizing the bookmarks. The bookmark is basically it remembers the view of the map that you have right now. So I have a lot. I've been messing around a lot, but I want to make a new one. And the new one's just going to be this Mid-Atlantic zone right here. So I'm going to name it Mid-Atlantic. Hit add, and now I have it. And if I want to move it in my order, I can move it up and down. If I want to rename it, I can delete it. I can do all sorts of things from the page here. And I've already deleted it, so I'll just so I'm moving around, and then I remember I want to be back in New York. You can just hit the bookmark where you want to go, and it'll take you back there. So that is the bookmarks. I suggest you use them, get used to using them, and they are your friend. They will make your life easier. The layer list is also available, and this is the information that you can turn on and off that will help you figure out where you are, maybe as it comes a little closer to some of the things that exist. So as you can tell, the National Park Service has really got a bunch of information in there. The other agencies have other information, and this regional and unit layer is really what refuge for fish and wildlife is really useful. You can turn it on. Know that your Cherry Valley is right there in that's Wallkill. Cherry Valley's down here somewhere. There it is. So you can use that to help navigate to the refuges or regions or whatever you want to use, wherever you want to go. I would suggest leaving them off until you get the general area. As you can tell, there's a lot of other options that you can use to click on and off. This jurisdictional one is very useful. It'll give you the boundaries of all the different agencies and whatnot that exist. So you can turn that off until you get to where you want to be. So these layers are very useful. This last one that I want to show is the WIFs and the legacy. And you can turn these on and off once you get a little deeper into the system, WIFs might be a tool that you want to use. It basically allows you to take Arc Pro and create features and then have them directly piped into the system, and you would be able to turn them on or off, turning the eye on or off in WIFs, and then you could make a copy, make a new treatment or action with it. Same thing with the legacy information. And then the last bit that I'll show you is the base map. You can switch the base map back and forth, and that'll be how you can use that. I think I'll cover the top bar here as well. If you wanted to create a new treatment or activity, it's under Create. If you want to manage budget levels, do the carryover, or look at downloads, that's under Workflow. And then if you want to adjust your admin layer, if admin level, if you want to, you can do that in the ellipses, or not the ellipses, but the hamburger or pancake stack over here. Depends on how hungry you are and what time of day it is. This reset map view is also going to help you refresh the screen if you start to notice weird things happening, or you might even get an error that says reset map view. You can do that right here. And all it does is delete the cookies that are associated with the map view, and it gives it a fresh, clean start. So that is the map view. Good luck.